Hi guys, welcome to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we're going to be making strawberry lemonade. So let's get into the video. So we're just going to jump right into it. The ingredients list is pretty self-explanatory. So first we're going to start off by adding our water into a pot to simmer. And into the pot we're going to add the sugar. We're just going to mix everything around so that the sugar can dissolve in the water, but you don't want the sugar to burn. Once the sugar has dissolved, you're going to set it to the side and move on to your next step. Now we're just going to take some water in our blender and add the strawberry and kiwi and just blend all of that together. It's going to be sifting the strawberry kiwi mix into a bowl just to get rid of all the chunks. If you have a really high power blender, then maybe you wouldn't have the chunks like I do, so you can skip this step. I'm also going to do the same with the lemon juice just so the seeds wouldn't go into the mixture. Now I'm going to add the sugar water into the mix. Now I'm going to add everything into a jug and give it a good shake just to mix everything well. I would suggest tasting it, and if it's too sweet, you can add more water and adjust it to your liking. And then you're just gonna chill and then serve. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!